Welcome to Yes Kid Educational Channel.
May I know your name, please?
I am Rishi.
May I borrow your pencil, please?
Certainly, here you go.
Can you show me where the library is?
Absolutely, follow me.
May I use the restroom?
Certainly, it's down the hall to the left.
Can you help me with my homework?
Certainly, what do you need assistance with?
May I have another cookie?
Certainly, but just one more.
Can you tie your shoes?
Indeed, I can.
May I have a turn on the swing?
Certainly, I'll push you.
Can you read this story to me?
Certainly, let's begin.
May I play with your toy for a while?
Sure, but be careful with it.
Can you tell me the name of 3 colors?
Certainly, red, blue, and green.
May I have a slice of cake?
Certainly, it's delicious.
Can you tell me a story?
Of course, once upon a time.
May I have a hug?
Sure.
Can you solve this math problem?
Certainly, let me give it a try.
May I have some more milk?
Of course, here's the carton.
May I have a turn on the slide?
Sure, slide down.
Can you tell me what time it is?
Certainly, it's 3 o'clock.
May I have a cookie after dinner?
Sure, if you finish your veggies.
Can you jump rope?
Certainly, watch this.
May I have a piece of fruit?
Of course, apples or oranges.
Can you name 5 animals?
Certainly, lion, elephant, tiger.
May I have a sticker?
Sure, pick your favorite one.
Can you ride a bicycle?
Certainly, I'll show you.
May I have a piece of paper to draw on?
Of course, here's a blank sheet.
Can you tell me the days of the week?
Certainly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
May I have a turn on the swing after you?
Sure, I'll push you high.
Can you tell me what you want to be when you grow up?
Yes, I can. I want to be a doctor.
May I have a turn watering the plants?
Yes, you may. Be gentle with them.
Can you name 3 things you can find in the kitchen?
Yes, I can. Plates, cups, spoons.
May I have a taste of your ice cream?
Yes, you may. Here's a spoonful.
Can you tell me a fun fact about animals?
Yes, I can. Did you know elephants can't jump?
Can you name 3 things you can do at the park?
Yes, I can. Swing, slide, play.
May I have a turn using your crayons?
Yes, you may. Draw something colorful.
Can you tell me what you did yesterday?
Yes, I can. I went to the zoo.
May I have a turn riding your bicycle?
Yes, you may. Wear your helmet.
Can you name 3 sports you know?
Yes, I can. Soccer, cricket, basketball.
May I have a turn playing with your toy car?
Yes, you may.
Can you name 3 things you can do at the beach?
Yes, I can. Build sandcastles, swim, collect seashells.
May I have a turn playing with your toy kitchen?
Yes, you may. Let's cook up a delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, please find the link given in the description box and subscribe to our channel.